It is possible to operate the ND active areas with the MFD controls you have seen, but the ND is usually controlled with the EFIS control panel. The ND mode selector and mode select switch operate the same as the cursor controls on the MFK, but only for active areas on the ND. In the 787 CBT lessons, you can turn the selector with the same procedure you used for the MFK cursor control selector. In most MFDs, the highlight box and the cursor move together, but the ND mode selector can move the highlight box to the ND while the cursor stays in a different MFD. In this example, the cursor is in the checklist. Use the ND mode selector to highlight the ND plan key. The highlight box is now on the ND, but the cursor stayed on the checklist display. The ND mode select switch can be used to select the highlighted ND area. Use the mode select switch to select the plan key. To move the highlight box back into the window where the cursor is, you can turn the cursor selector or touch the CCD. The highlight box is back in the checklist display with the cursor. The NDs are usually shown on the upper DUs, but you can also put the ND on the lower DU. Show an ND in the first officer's lower MFD window. Now show an ND in the captain's lower MFD window. If each pilot selects an ND into the lower DU windows, a single full display ND is shown. The pilot who put the first ND onto the lower DU has control of the full display ND. In this example, only the first officer's EFIS control panel and the first officer's cursor can be used with the ND on the lower DU. The captain's ND stayed on the upper DU and continues to operate with the related EFIS control panel.